Hello everyone, this is Teacher L. For today, we're going to learn about laws of exponent. And we are now in our first law. We have the product rule. So we have x raised to the power of a multiplied by x to the power of b. So we have x as our variables. Then we have a and b as our exponent. So if we have this problem, so first we copy the variable x, then we just add their exponent. We have a plus b. For our example, we have x squared multiplied by x squared. So that is x raised to 4. Copy lang natin yung variable na x, tapos add lang natin na exponent. We have 2 plus 2, so that is 4. That is x raised to the power of 4. For our second example, we have 3y squared multiplied by 2y squared. So first, multiply natin yung whole number, that is 3 times 2, that is 6. Then we copy the variable y, tapos add lang natin yung exponent ng y. So we have 2 plus 2, that is 4. So we have 6y to the power of 4. Next, we have 3x squared multiplied by 4x to the power of 5. So first, multiply natin yung whole number. We have 3 times 4, that is 12. Tapos copy lang natin yung variable na x, then add natin yung exponent. So we have 2 plus 5, so that is 7. So we have 12x to the power of 7. Next, we have 2x cubed y squared multiplied by 3x squared y squared. So una, multiply natin yung whole number. We have 2 times 3. So that is 6. Then, copy lang natin yung variable na x. Tapos add natin yung exponent. So we have 3 and 2. So that is 5. Then copy lang natin yung variable na y. Tapos add lang natin yung exponent ng mga y's. We have 2 and we have 2. So we have 2 plus 2. So that is 4. So our answer is 6x to the power of 5 and y raised to the power of 5. Next, we have 2x raised to 4 multiplied by 5x raised to 3, then multiplied by 3x raised to the power of 3. So, first, multiply natin yung mga whole number. We have 2 times 5, that is 10, times 3, that is 30. So, we have 30 as our whole number. Then, copy lang natin yung variable na x. Tapos, add lang natin yung mga exponents. So, we have 4 plus 3, that is 7, plus 3, so that is 10. So, we have 30x to the power of 10. Next, we have 4x squared y cubed y raised to 4 z cubed multiplied by 2x cubed y squared z squared. So, una, multiply natin yung mga whole number. We have 4 multiplied by 2. 4 times 2, that is 8. Tapos copy lang natin yung variable na x. Tapos add natin yung exponent ni x. We have 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then copy natin si variable y. Then add natin yung exponent ni y. We have 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then copy lang natin si variable z. Then add natin yung exponent. We have 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. We have 8x raised to 5, y raised to 6, and z raised to 5.